Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CDIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. After today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First I'm going to do is a little house clean and just go ahead and get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to make this analysis as clean as possible. First update that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 0033 now going to be that newest area of resistance. In the event the price can actually get back above there, the next level you would want to keep an eye on is that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. So keep a close eye on that too. But as of right now, kind of pointless to be talking about doing battle with the 200 period until the price can first prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself being quantified as getting back up above and staying up above the 0033 mark at that red line right there. What about levels of support? Because as of right now, pretty straightforward. It's the price is really getting beat down, and I'm not going to call it free fall mode, but it's definitely in an area now where it's a matter of where is this going to finally kind of try to bottom out. And the first level where it bottomed out today is nothing fancy. It's just simply where the bleeding stopped, and that was right there at 0025. So 0025 is going to be that first key level of support going forward. If 0025 cannot hold up, then there is a pretty big space between areas of support after that point in time, as the next level would not be until down there around 0015. Now, I'm not saying that if 0025 fails, it's dropping straight down to 0015. My point is that technically speaking, and looking back through the history of things, there just aren't any other areas of support down in that area that could provide any sort of comfort. So it's good to see that 0025 did hold, and going forward, you definitely want to see that continue to hold. So we'll see what happens with it right now. But yeah, as of right now, the bears are back in control. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.